Right, very quick video. Mainly for Spudgy and people who follow Spudgy, which is probably a lot of you lot anyway. But this is from my Maria. Rhea. What is she? The mother of all gods, yeah? Here she is. She's dominating the cat, lion, whatever, yeah? Because it's the ultimate dominant symbol. The Rhea, the bird, yeah? The predatory. Right. And what do we see? Spudgy? Symbols of on her attire. Eh? What do we see here? And what are these? You got your sixes. Bosh, 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 bosh. How many sixes? And then you've got your tridents. Yeah? You got some down the bottom as well here. All these sixes, look. And tridents. Yeah? So, there's your beast. Check you later in a bit.
Oh, it's a piece of cake, so it is.